Hello everyone, it's Giang again. Now, I am with my client today. I cut her hair. Then I'm thinking I might share this for you guys, okay? The first thing, to me, I think is very important. After you cut hair for client, you should educate client how to style that particular hairstyle at home. Because to me, how for client keep that hairstyle to look beautiful every day. Also, they confident, they feel like that is their hair and they always feel confident with that, which is, to me, that is your brand. So that is your job. When you cut their hair, you need to educate them, particular how to style that hairstyle. All right, now I'm showing you how I share with my client how to style this hairstyle at home. All right, let's start now. I don't know if it looks good or not. All right, with this hairstyle, after cut, this is I just finished cut. I haven't blow dry with brush or anything. To me, I love to cut hair after having blow dry, still look good. Doesn't like. I see a lot of hairdresser when after they cut the hair, and the hair is have to blow dry and look good. If no blow dry, it look a mess. To me, I love to cut hair which is no blow dry, still look good. All right. To style this hairstyle at home, need 2 products. First one is heat protector. Okay, heat protector. Apply heat protector on hair. The second product is called Texture Spray Sea Salt Mist. Okay, so I use this one. So with this hairstyle, I love to see on the top part is look more volume and texture. So that's why I use this more on the top, not too much at the end. So again, when you apply products, it's really need you to apply just enough amounts, not too much. When you use too much, it will give you a bit heavy. So just a little bit. Alright, after I put press on, I just quickly blow dry. Just make the product dry a little bit. The next step, this one is important. So I'm going to use this hair tie. Take the top of the hair. So where you want is more like texture, volume. You take that part, the end we don't need. So take that part. Just use your finger like a brush. Push all up. Even at the fringe. Which part is fall down, that's alright. But generally, you just put all up. And use this hair tie just like ponytail, like on the top like that. Wow, that's look right. Okay, it would be look like that before you go to bed. Like that. Oh, look at that. Do this before go to bed. Oh, okay. Then the next day when you wake up, you will see the hair is just natural volume. So like you say, usually you just use the hot roller, you roll it.
Yes.
But now I cut different hairstyle for you and I show you this. It will be much easy, quicker than you use the hot roll. So with this one, you do before you go to bed. Just put it up like that, and then go to bed. So now I just quickly blow dry, but you don't have to blow dry when you at home. Okay, just do that before you go to bed. You see how the hair is look?
Yes.
The thing is, you just have to do that. I say, this is new for you. So you have to do that in 7 days.
In 7 days.
In 7 days. Just practice do that in 7 days. That after 7 days, you will feel it's much easier. The first day, you will see, oh my God, I doesn't look anything. Like you say, oh, Giang tell me that, but I do it, I look awful. I tell you, I did that for my client and my client did that. And I say, okay, just do that and then send me the photo, how you did it. And she said, oh my God, when I take it off, my hair is look like lion dancing. And then she just scared. I say, don't worry, that is the first day. It's not, but you are not hairdresser. You do it the first day. That's okay. It doesn't look good. That's okay. But it will be better in the next, after 7 days. So that's why I say keep doing it. So now you see how texture is. It's natural. It's natural. So if you want it look a little bit texture, you just use the comb. It already have texture spray on it. You just use the comb. You just tease a little bit like that. Where you want the hair. I believe you tease is look much better than me because you do that every day, right? Yeah, you get used to it, so you do much better. So what I do, I just do like that. So with this one, sometimes you can put behind the ear. Do you often do that?
Sometimes I do.
Just put behind the ear, something like that. So this part is a bit more. Alright guys, this is how I do it. I just see, I haven't do any like brush or anything to try to blow dry it, no. I just do what you see. I feel that a little bit. Just very important is sea salt texture spray. Then hydrate first. Next one will be this one. Then you hair tie it up, go to bed. Next day take the hair off. If you want to teach, you want to do something that do a little bit like that. And then you're ready to go. You see that? It's much easy. It's much easier. And I don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Alright? So guys, I just show you guys that how I did that for my client. Okay? So I hope you guys, if you got hairdresser, please educate your client with particular hairstyle you want your client to manage it. Share them with the skill, share them what the product to use, then they can manage that better. So that's your brand. This I say my brand. Right? It's just much easier, and then also customer feel really confident with their hair as well. Alright? So I bye for now.
Thank you, Giang.
Thank you. Turn around. Have a look at it. Bye.